right, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. All right, class, how are you guys doing today? Good. Good? You guys ready to start some math?
Yeah.
Yeah? No? Yeah. Why not? You hate math. Aw, well, this is going to be fun, I promise. Okay. So, can everyone put their fingers out? Kind of wiggle their fingers. Can I see both of your hands? There we go. Great job. Okay, now, I just want you to put one hand down on the table. It doesn't matter which one. And the other one up. Can you guys close your hands just like this? Okay, we're going to start counting on our fingers. Have you guys done this before? Pretty sure you have.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go ahead and start with our pointer finger. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many fingers do we have?
5.
Okay, so now let's go ahead and do it together out loud. All right, guys? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Okay, so now we have our other hand, right? So we counted to 5, and we have 5 other fingers. So let's see how many they are together. So let's go ahead and start with again with our pointer finger. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Christiana, how many fingers do you have?
9.
9, are you sure?
10.
10. Good job. Okay, and how do you know that there's 10?
We counted them.
Because we counted them, right? So right now we could just count it to 10. I want us to count to 30. I know we've been working on our lower numbers, but let's try to count a little bit higher. Okay? So again, all together, we're going to count to 30 nice and slow, but using our fingers, okay? So once we get to 10, we're going to put our hands down, and then once again, start counting with our fingers, okay? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now we have 10 more. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, good job, guys. That was a lot. Did we count 30 fingers? But we counted 30, up to 30. I could see that some of us were struggling just a little bit. So this is what I want us to do. I brought some blocks, your guys' favorite things to do. And they're really small blocks. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to kind of pass some of them out to you guys. Oh boy! Just like how we counted on our fingers, we're going to use it with the blocks, okay?
I don't want pink.
You don't want pink? Okay, then just put this aside.
I'll trade you pink. Or
Trade
blue,
with somebody.
Sarah.
Okay. But don't touch them. Okay. So with these blocks, this is what I want us to do. Okay? I'm not sure how many you guys have. Can you guys pull out 2 white blocks?
Oh, I don't have white.
You don't have white?
Oh, they come together?
Yes, they kind of clump together.
2.
So when you have 2 white blocks, I want you to hold them up. I want to see both of them. 2, 2, take, 2, 2. Okay, good job. Now I want to see, you don't have pink. Let's see. Green. Let's do 4 greens. Does everybody have green? Sarah, did you get 4?
They're not the same green.
They're not the same green? But that's okay, but they're almost the same color, right?
Right.
So go ahead and hold them up if you can in your hands, put it in your palm so I can count. Let's see, 4, 4, and 4. Good job. Okay, let's do a bigger number. So go ahead and put, once you have the 2 whites, put the 2 whites on one side, put the greens together. Now let's do 3 yellows. Everybody have yellow? Me? You got yellow? Okay, put them down as soon as you got them right here on your table, closest to you. All right.
Silver.
So now what I want you to do is look at the ones that you guys have. You should have green, yellow, and white. Does everybody have that? Thumbs
Yeah.
up if you have it. All right, great job. Okay, so Tate,
Yes.
which one has the most blocks?
Green.
Green. Can you count them out for me?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. And Sarah, which one has the least, the lowest number of blocks?
2.
White.
White. Tate, wait your turn. And how many is in the white?
1, 2.
Okay, so is white, does white have more than green or less? Would you say? You're looking at your blocks. Would you say it has more blocks than green or less?
It has less.
Yeah, exactly. Great job. Okay, now with the rest of your guys' blocks, I want you to organize them to the color, okay? So even if the color might be a little off, like the green tape, just put the greens together, and then, Christina, you want to do that too? What? Okay, you're going to put your black ones together, just like that. Then you're going to do your pink ones together.
Hey, you're being mean.
Okay. Great job. I like that you're putting it all together nicely and you're quiet. You're doing great. Being a great example.
We haven't learned classroom management.
Okay.
I got
You got them?
Oh, look, I have
Okay.
a wood one.
You have a wood one?
Oh.
Okay.
Let's try.
You have them together?
No.
Okay, look at me when you have them together. Good job, Tate, Christina. You're really looking at me. I almost done.
You gave me more than
You do have a lot. Like there's some green right here. Let's put some of this green right here.
Wow.
Look how many she has. The blue right there.
there you go. Am I gonna fun?
Just like that's okay. Those ones are black. Yeah, one purple. These are brown. Yeah, they're kind of. Yeah, they look the same. Okay.
The lighting.
Okay, so can you guys count out all your boxes? I want you to count in your head this time because it's kind of hard whenever you're all counting at once. I want you to count in your head. If you can use your fingers if you want. How many blocks total you have? Okay. You see that, Christina? What? To count how many blocks you have all together. Okay.
31.
Count it in your head and then hang on to the number, and we'll see who has the most blocks. Which one are you, Steph? You have to count again? Okay, go ahead and count again. Mona, how many blocks do you have?
58.
You have 58? You counted all the way up to 58?
Yeah.
Great job.
I can only go 31.
You only got to 31?
That's all the box I have.
Okay. And Sarah, how many blocks do you have?
37.
37. Christiane, how many is there? Take your time. 42. 42. Okay, so you guys all have different number of boxes. I wanted you guys to look at who has the most greens. Looking at them. See, these two all together. Sorry.
She got more than
Okay. How many greens do you have, Mona? Do you have more than Tate? Sarah, do you have more greens than Christiana?
14.
I have 11.
I got 14.
You have 8. You have 11. Okay. What about yellow? Look at Tate and Mona. You guys can be partners, and Christiana and
Me and
Sarah.
Christiana match.
You both have 3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you have equal. Can everybody
'Cause
say
we're
an
best
equal amount?
Equal.
Okay.
Equal.
Mona, how many yellows do you have?
7.
7. Okay. Tate, how many yellows do you have?
4.
Or
So Mona has. You said 7?
yeah.
Okay, 7 blocks, and you have 4. So looking at this, This is the last thing we're going to do, and then I have some fun worksheets for us to work on. I'm going to take your yellows, okay? Mona, can everybody see this? Can I take your yellows?
Yeah.
Tade has 3 yellows that I see right here.
I have 4.
You have 4, do you holding one? Okay, thank you. So 4 yellows. You guys see all these yellows? Christiana, are you looking?
Yep.
And this one's Mona's.
You just have to outdo me.
So Tade, looking at this,
Yes.
one has a little bit more than you. How many more do you need to be the same as Mona's?
3.
3. And how do you know that?
Because it says.
Because if you match it like that, you can see that there's 3 more that are going to be there. Do you see that, Christiana? So like if you put 3 more blocks, it'd be the same amount. Like I have 3 blocks here. Let's see if that's right. So 1, 2, 3. There you go. So it's equal. Great job, guys. Okay, so this is the last thing that I want you guys to work on together as partners, okay? So this is really fun. You guys see that there's little animals on here? So what I'm going to do is give this to you guys and this one to you guys. So on here there's the animals, and then on the left side there's a blank spot. I want you to take your blocks, it doesn't matter what color, and I want you to place it on the empty square of how many alligators there are. So like the first one, there's alligators, so you're gonna count out how many alligators, and then you're gonna put the same number of blocks on it. Okay? So you work on it together. Go ahead and get started. And then I have one more worksheet.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I have 3. You have 3. Perfect.
I like that you guys are sharing evenly and counting. So you put 3 green ones and you put 3 ones. So how many is that? 3 and 3. 6, right? And so there's 6 alligators. Great job. So go ahead and go work on the, what is it, hippos? Rhinoceros? Okay, let me see this. Wow, you guys did really fast. How many snails did you get?
Brown.
6.
6, okay. And how many blocks did you put for snails?
6.
6.
I have 1.
Great job. Here, let me give you this worksheet. This is another one. It's the same thing that I want you guys to do, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
2.
I did colors. I only have
This is the one I want you guys to work on.
And the pink.
pink. Oh, I only have 1 red. Okay.
3.
So,
4.
3 pink. 7.
How many drafts were there? 8.
Turtles.
Okay.
I have 4.
So now we're going to wait for them, and I just want you guys to tell me, looking at this, which one had the most animals?
Use your green.
In the box. You guys remember?
Oh, I've also
Count it out.
8.
can be pink. No, let's do red.
The frogs and
red
drafts
one.
are the same.
Mhm.
Great job. How about the least amount?
Blue.
Which one had the
Blue?
least amount?
I have
The
3.
train.
Chain.
Okay, great job. Okay, I want you guys to pull out your homework and go ahead and get started on that.
We're
And
done.
then I'm gonna You guys just finished?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We did the second.
So looking at this, which one had the least amount?
The beat the same.
It's okay. Which one had the least amount?
Red. The grasshopper.
The grasshoppers. And which one had the most amount?
The frogs.
The frogs. And how many was there, Christiana?
8.
8. Okay, great job. Well, thanks guys so much. I really enjoyed working with you guys this morning. And we all counted together, remember at the beginning, on our fingers all the way up to 30. And also we compared which numbers which was bigger and which was smaller. And you guys did great. I want you guys to take out your homework now and go ahead and get started on it. Remember, it's due tomorrow. And yeah. Thanks so much.
Maybe.